Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Dear my students, grade 8, let's go on and complete studying our unit 2 for the first term, life events. We are going to study today the last lesson for unit 5, but we are going to start it with a tongue twister. Tongue twister. When I say tongue twister, it means words difficult to say. Tongue twister. Try to say this tongue twister. A ship shipping, ship shipping, shipping ships. Can you say this tongue twister fast? Try to say it. Let's revise the previously taught words that we have taken in lesson number 4. Number 1. The old man lost his. We have a space here, so he is blind. He lost his determination, sight, or barrier. What can I say about people who cannot see? They lost their what? Excellent. They lost their sight. So the old man lost his sight, so he is blind. Blind means cannot see. This is called what? Blind. The second example here. My friend space me to do my best to be inventive with my own career. The choices inspired, overcame, achieved. Excellent. My friend inspired means gave me hope to do my best to be inventive with my own career. Another example here. An Italian racehorse could space win 19 times despite being blind. The choices recently, frequently, incredibly, something which is unbelievable. We cannot believe. What can we say about this one? Excellent. That's right. It's called incredibly. So an Italian racehorse could incredibly win 19 times despite being blind. Another example here. Jim is, we have a space, of taking care of himself although he lost his vision. Capable, voluntary, native. Here we have the preposition of. So what should we use? That's right. Capable. So Jim is capable of taking care of himself although he lost his vision. Excellent. Here, have you ever done something great in your life? Have you ever done something great in your life? If you have done something great, try to talk about it. Anything. Let's move to our book, page 26. Here you are going to listen to the interview with Peter. You are going to answer the questions here. Here you have some choices. Look at the questions at first. You are going to choose from A, B, C, and D. Like number 1. Peter started his journey in. You have some dates here. Try to look at the dates. 1999, 2003, 2005, 2016. The second one. He has walked miles, 19,000, 20,000, 40,000, 36,000. Third one, he space across China. Has walked, hasn't walked, will walk, walked in the past. Next one, he, we have a space here. A sweater with him will carry, doesn't carry, carries, carried. The last one, he has learned more than 3 songs, stories, films, poems. Time to listen, and after that we are going to see the answers.
.2
Hello.
and welcome to the program. Today we have a very special guest in the studio. His name is Peter Delaney, and incredibly, he is walking around the world. Peter, how do you feel?
I'm fine, thanks. A little bit tired, but I feel fit and healthy.
When did you start your incredible journey?
I decided to walk around the world in December 1999, but I actually started walking in 2003.
How far have you walked so far?
Well, the whole journey is 36,000 miles.
That's a long way.
Up to now, I've walked about 19,000 miles. So I've completed over half the journey.
Where have you walked so far?
I've walked through South, Central and North America, and I've walked across Australia and New Zealand. The next stage of my journey is India and China.
What do you take with you?
I always carry a map, a medical kit, a sweater, water and things to eat. Of course, I have my passport with me at all times. And I always have my MP3 player. I enjoy listening to books and poetry while I'm walking. I think I've learned more than 300 poems.
Well, good luck with the rest of your amazing journey.
Thank you very much.
Okay, now let's go and see the answers here. The first one, Peter started his journey in which year? Who can tell me? Excellent. In 2003. Next one. We want to speak about the miles that he has walked. How many miles? That's right, 19,000. 19,000. He will walk across China. That's right, because this one is in the future. It's going to happen in the future. So we are going to use what? Will walk. Next one. He spaces a sweater with him. So he what here? He carries. This one is in the present simple. The last one, I think you have heard it well. He has learned more than 300 poems. Excellent. You can write some notes about Peter's journey in your notebook. This exercise we are going to speak about pronunciation. We said before the word pronunciation. When I say how to say the word, you are going to listen and put the words in the right column. First column you have house or trousers. The second one road or most. Let's listen together to the words.
5.3 1
Photo.
2
Loud.
3
Rose.
4
South.
5
Coat.
6
Round.
Okay, have you written down the words? Okay, let's check them together. Photo, the same like what? Most. And road. Loud, the same like house. Trousers, so this is the same sound. House, trousers. But the second one, road, most. Grows, in which column? That's right, in the second column. South, the same like house. Coat, the same like road. Round, the same like house. Trousers. Now let's move to write an email about a famous sportsman. Who is the famous sports person that you admire? Can you tell me a name of a player that you admire most? Like most of us admire Messi, Ronaldo, Mo Salah, and so on. What sports does he play? I have mentioned some players. Most of them, they play football. What did he achieve? What? Why do you admire him? Why do you like this person? Why do you like this sportsman? What awards has he won? We are going to write all these in our notebooks. Try to write about this famous sportsman. What's his name? What is the sport that he plays? Why do you admire him? What are the awards that he acquired? Take 5 minutes and write them. Thank you, and inshallah see you in next videos.